Well folks, we've stopped off at Glencar. I mean, the beautiful Glencar Waterfall is here. And the usual Irish picnic. A bit windy, but we're getting there. We're going to walk up to the waterfall next. Had to get an ice cream for Cedric. Cheers! I stood up on a bridge wall to try and get you a better view. Now look at this. Isn't that beautiful? And I have a kids playground here as well, and there's to walk into the waterfall. We're going to go in there in a few minutes. I'm standing up here on a wall to try and show you the view. It is beautiful, yeah. Best not fall down into traffic. Heading towards the Glencar Waterfall. Oh, don't fall in! Well, it wasn't actually a 10-minute walk in here like I was told. It's about 3 minutes. So it's a pretty sizable waterfall for Ireland anyhow. Let me get a bit closer. There you go, Glencar Waterfall. Here, 7 kilometres outside of Manor Hamilton in North West Ireland, Leitrim. Lovely spot, yeah? That's lovely. W.B. Yeats, who's buried not far from here in Drumcliff, his poem Stolen Child, he talks about the tumbling waterfall here in Glencar. This is an amazing part of the country to visit. If you've got the weather, man, that's all you need in Ireland is the weather, then it's fantastic. The power of nature, unbelievable.